Do you want to renovate your career? The blueprint is at Safetech 2023 in Reno. Renovate your career and your business at Safetech in Reno. Join us this April for a week of learning, viewing new products, and making connections. Be the architect of your future by learning new skills from the industry's best instructors. Want hands-on instruction? You'll get it at Safetech. See the latest tools, safes, and safe locks at the trade show, and help support the association at the Friends of Safetech Live auction, where the deals are just as good as the company you'll keep.
The instructors at Safetech are highly knowledgeable, and just a week at the convention, I've learned more than I could have ever imagined.
Now there are more direct flights to Reno than ever before, making your plans a snap. And wait till you see the newly renovated Atlantis Casino Resort. It's your convenient home base for fun and adventure. Attendees know that Safetech has a family feel, and we want you to be a part of it. Start building your future today. Register for Safetech 2023.